What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Almost New Year. Just wanted to stop in and give you all an update. What's going on? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Almost New Year. Just wanted to stop in and give you all an update. What's going on? So we've had a lot of parts come in for our boy Bruised Ego. Still waiting on some more stuff. I've got a roll cage on order and a tubular front end on order. I'm still trying to weigh the decision on whether I want to faceplate the T56 I have in it, or just pony up the money, buy once, cry once, and get a full-blown racing T56, which I'm kind of leaning towards. But other than that, we really haven't done much with the car. We will be soon, though. However, I bought myself a Christmas present. We got a new project. Let's check it out. So here it is. Here's our new project. We got a 2010 Chevy Silverado. Now what I'm going to do with this is obviously it's going to get an LS swap. I've already got parts on order from FabBot. They're supposed to be here tomorrow. Let's take a look around and check it out. Overall, it's decent for what I paid for it. I've only got 900 bucks in this thing. Cosmetically needs a little bit of work. Got a broken mirror. Something got sideswiped at some point, so we'll replace this door. Either get a new bed or bed skin. Might even just fix this one for now. I mean, get a new tailgate. That bumper's got to go. It'll get a roll pan. This side's pretty clean. It's got a little bit of rust starting to form on the wheel well. This cab's gonna go. New door handle, no big deal. Get a new grill. Right now it's got a 2.9, but we have the my old Suburban with the 5.3 transmission went out, so that's gonna find its way into here. Looking in the bed, first thing I did was I loaded up a few engines I have just to get them out of the rain, keep them out of the weather. See what we got in here. This is the 5.3 that we took out of Ego. That's the 6.0 that goes into that truck back there, and we'll talk about the Cutlass on an upcoming video. I've got a video in the works for that. This engine runs the cam wiped though, so I'm sure it needs new bearings, obviously new cam. I'm gonna do a DOD delete, and it's gonna go back into that truck. And right now that truck has an aluminum block 6.0 that is going to go into Ego. Inside is pretty clean. Someone had a stereo system in here at one point, so it's still got power wires and all that stuff ran, but the seats aren't too awful bad. I can probably sell those. I'll put racing seats in. It's got a AR5 5-speed. And then down here, someone wired in a light switch going to the heater box, but I'm going to delete all of that stuff. Um, so the plan with this one is it's just going to be a fun little weekend car, street strip car. I'd like to use it for a lot of drag and drive stuff. Just something to have fun in. Our boy over here, we're obviously going to continue with the build with this. It's not going to be put on the back burner or anything. I have a Lexian windshield coming. Got a lot of stuff. I'm going to delete the brake booster, manual brakes, TBM stuff. All that's ordered, and some of it's here and some of it I'm still waiting on. I've got a roll cage ordered and a tubular front end ordered, so all of that's going to be in soon, and we'll be starting on that and really get to work on this thing. I really want to race it this year. Back here we got room for extracurriculars. I've been looking forever for an extended cab because I want to I don't like the look of the roll bars coming out of the top of the cab. I really want to keep the outside, all the cage stuff that's going to be in the bed down below the top of the bed. So this will allow me to do that and stay within SFI and NHRA standards. So overall, I mean, it's a decent starting point. Still in the Terminator X out of Ego for now because I have a Dominator coming for it. So this is going to be Terminator X powered, and I'm going to try to retain all the factory gauges just to see if I can do it. I know there's ways to do that with the Holley. So like I said, I've got $900 into it. Well, into the initial purchase. I'll be able to sell some of the stuff off of it to recoup some of the money that I got out of it. So stay tuned, and we'll be getting started on this quick, fast, and in a hurry. So the reason I got this so cheap is the alternator's missing, but it also has a really nasty oil leak. You can see on top of the valve cover how saturated it is, but it also has a really nasty oil leak coming somewhere from this side, and things smokes like a freight train, smoking out of the tailpipe. So I'm pretty sure the rings are toasting the engine. We'll start it up and show you guys what's going on. Oh, wrong key. All right, we got the right key. Fires right up. But probably a lot of smoke coming out of the tailpipe. Engine runs rough. And you can see the mess that oil's already making. I was really hoping to sell the engine out of it, but I think instead I'm just going to put it on the chip and put it out of its misery. So let's go ahead and make that happen. Damn. This thing just won't die. This thing will not die. Oh my god. That's to the floor though. That's to the floor. And it's dead. Let's see if it starts back up. Probably not. I think it's toast. Oh. Damn. That's hilarious. That's funny. Oh, she is angry. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to let this thing cool down and we'll get to tearing things apart and get this engine out of here. So look out for that in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.